Hello, welcome back to Mama Africa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make scallop here. So this is my scallop. I already rinsed it and pat dry it. You dry it with paper towel. Make sure it's dry. So I'm going to use 1 lime, butter, garlic, salt, black pepper, paprika, that's it. So let's go, guys. I already preheated my oven at 400 Fahrenheit. And the scallop is going to take around 10 minutes, I think. But I'll let you go know, guys, when it's done. It should take around 10 minutes only. But we'll see. Keep checking. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, paprika, for the seafood lover. If you like seafood, this is for you. Whoever likes seafood out there, this is all for you. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. That's it. And this is parsley. This is parsley. This will be my garnishing. And we're gonna use sorry guys. Garlic. I'm going to use 4 garlic cloves. Because I like garlic so much. It smells so good. I'm going to use my lime juice. I think I'll just use one side, not the full one. That's good enough. And now, let me mix it first. Mixing first. This is how it looks. Mix your spices. This is for the seafood lovers. Seafood lovers. Now butter. I don't want it to stick. A little bit of butter in there. Now put them in. Spread them. So we'll keep checking. After 5 minutes, we'll check again. Our cooking is done, guys. It only takes 10 minutes to cook it. Just 10 minutes, that's it. Look at the tiny one, the tiny scallop, not the big one. Oh my goodness, looking so delicious. So I'll just a little bit of butter, then just you wait. I'm gonna garnish it with parsley, a little bit of parsley. So look at it, guys. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I can't wait to dig in. Look at it. Looking delicious. Let me try one. Oh my goodness. So delicious. So that is for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye now. Very delicious. Very, very delicious.